Welcome back to another video from Aura Academy on time and work. In this video, we are going to discuss questions like this and how to solve that. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do consider subscribing. Now, what we are going to do with the help of very basic knowledge of mathematics, we are going to solve questions like this. Okay, first I am defining a work as an entity and we are going to find out how much of that work is being done in a single day. Okay, so suppose A is a worker and he is able to remove one block. There are total 12 blocks in a work in a day. Okay, so we can easily see that he is going to complete this work in 12 days. He will be able to remove 12 blocks in 12 days. Okay, it is very clear. Now, the first rule, what I said is define work as an entity and work done is 1. Okay, whole work. Now the second rule is we need to find out how much work is done in a single day. So in this case, we can see that the number of blocks removed by the guy in a single day is 1 and total number of blocks are 12. So work done is here 1 by 12. Okay, this is work done in a single day. Okay, now simply multiplied work done by the number n. N is number of days. Okay, most of the time questions will be asking the quantity n, the number of days. You know, work done in a day, okay, is equal to 1. Complete work is represented by 1. So in our case, it was work done was in a single day 1 by 12. Okay, and n we don't know is equal to 1, which implies n is equal to 12. Okay, you can see that very easily you are able to find out the number of days required to complete that work. Now consider a different scenario. Okay, in this scenario, A is getting help from B. Okay, suppose there is a worker here is our happy worker B. Okay, so A is getting help from B. Okay, now in this scenario, A is able to remove 2 blocks a day. Okay, and B is able to remove 3 blocks a day. How many days it is going to take to A and B to complete this work. Okay, so this is our work, right? Now recall our rules. Okay, what was our rule? We just need to find the work done in a single day. Okay, so work done in a single day by A. Okay, 2 by 12. Okay, that is 1 by 6. Now work done by B, that is 3 by 12, which equals to 1 by 4. What was our equation? Our equation was work done in a day. Okay, and question asked us the number of days, so that is unknown. Okay, is equal to 1, which implies work done in a day, A and B, both of them are working, so 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6. Okay, so 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6 multiplied by n is equal to 1, which implies, solve this equation. Okay, solving this equation will give you n is equal to reciprocal of this, right? Because it is going to get cross multiplied. So 24 by 10, which is 2.4. So in 2.4 days this work is going to get completed. Okay, so we are going to solve questions so that we can revise what we learned. Okay, and it is the best method to implement whatever you have learned. So in this question we can see that A and B are our happy workers, right? A can do a work in 15 days and B is able to do that work in 20 days. So let's say our work here, this box is our work. Okay, and A is able to do that work in 15 days and B is able to do that work in 20 days. So recall what we said. We need to find out how much work is being done in a single day. Okay, so how much work is done by A in a day is 1 by 15 of work, right? B is doing that work. How much work is being done? 1 by 20th of a work. Now the question is very simple. How much work is left after 4 days? Okay, so now we know the formula here is work done in a day multiplied by number of days is equal to 1. Correct? So now remember we are calculating work done in a day. So work done in a day is 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20. Okay, multiply it with the number of days, that is 4 is equal to 1. So this will give us 3 and 4, so it will give us 7 by 15. Okay, correct? Yes, 7 by 15. So this is the work done in 4 days, but what we were asked was how much work is left. So 1 minus 7 by 15, that is going to be 8 by 15. Okay, now consider another question. Okay, so in this question also we are going to find out C alone can do this job in how many days. Okay, so first of all, find out how much of work is being done by A in a single day, how much of a work done by B in a single day, and how much of work is done by C in that single day. Okay, so we can say that here work done by A in single day, which is 1 by 16. Okay, now work done by B in a single day, which is 1 by 12, and work done by C is unknown, so we will call it 1 by C. Whatever be the value of C, those many days are going to be required to complete this. Okay, in here you can see that A is able to complete that in 16 days, B is able to complete that in 12 days. Now we need to find out how many days C is going to take. So the whatever value of C is going to be there, that is going to be our answer. Okay, so what was our formula? Formula was simple: work done in a day, okay, multiplied by number of days is equal to 1. So in this case, work done in a day is 1 by 16 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by C. Okay, which is equal to 1. But don't forget to multiply with 4, which is number of days. They worked 4 days. Okay, so this is the work done in a day, and this is the number of days. Okay, now solve this and you will get the answer. So you can say that 4 by 16 plus 4 by 12 plus 4 by C is equal to 1. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3 plus 4 by C is equal to 1. Now here you can say that 4 by C is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3. Okay, which is now right, you can say that 1 minus 7 by 12 is equal to 5 by 12. Okay, now you can say that from here 4 by C is equal to 5 by 12, right? So this implies C is equal to 4 into 12 by 5. Okay, so the answer is upon 5, 9 and 3. So this is our answer. Okay, now in this question, solve it very quickly. Okay, you can say that A, B, C both are doing, all of them are doing in 20, 30 and 60 days respectively. Okay, now what the question is asking is to do some logical reasoning. Okay, you just need to find out the number of days. Now suppose A and B and C are working alone, then work done in a day: A 1 by 20, B is 1 by 30 and C is 1 by 60. Okay, this is work done in a single day. Okay, this all values are work done in a single day. We know the formula, right? But in this case, whatever be the number of days, okay, A is doing, B and C are doing 1/3 of it. Okay, so you can say that A worked for n days and B and C worked for n by 3 days. Okay, now input these values in our formula. Our formula says A's work is 1 by 20 multiplied by n. The n value we need to find it out. Okay, plus n by 3 multiplied by 1 by 30 plus 1 by 60, okay, is equal to 1 because work is completed. So that value is 1. So in this case, n by 20 plus just take the 30 out. Okay, n by 30 90, so 1 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1. So n by 20 plus n 90 into 3 by 2 is equal to 1, right? So this is going 30 times, 20 is out. Now you can say that this value is going to be 4 20 60 by 4, right? 60 by 4, that is 15. So 15. Okay, this is how we calculate and this is how we implement. Okay, have a nice day.